Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can show or hide notification previews on the lock screen on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and in here tap on Notifications. Next, tap on Show Previews. And from the list here, you could choose Always. This will allow you to view the content, the notification content on the lock screen. Or you can choose When Unlocked. So when the phone is not locked, then you can view the notifications details. Otherwise, select Never to turn off notification preview. And that's it. I'm going to select Always. So select one of the options in here. And after that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.